Welcome. In front of me is a Meizu mBlu 21, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, twice, and this will reveal all the toggles. Now we have several pages to them, so let's swipe to the left, and this will take us to the second page where the screen recorder is. From here, just simply tap on it, choose what kind of audio you want to record. We have device, microphone, both, and obviously if it's toggled off, nothing will be recorded in terms of audio. And then we have show touches on the screen, which records the semi-transparent gray dot where your finger was pressing the screen and the display. And we get a 3-second countdown, and then with a notification, it starts recording. It also looks like it... Okay, I was gonna say it drops refresh rate, but it was just a temporary kind of change. But the device is pretty slow, as you can see the way my finger's moving. Anyway, whatever you'll do right now will be for the most part recorded by your phone, by the screen recorder. And once you're done recording, you can just pull down your notifications again, click right here to stop, and this will save it to your photos. Now, the easiest way to find your screen recording would be to navigate to collections and then find screenshots, I believe. Nope. Videos. That's definitely not it. That's also not it. Okay, someone at the work is changing the settings right here, so the actual screen recorder isn't saved where it's supposed to be. Because, you know, when you're doing something, why, you know, fix it for other people that will be interacting with this device? No, that's too much work. We go for the lowest effort here. Anyway, so typically, like I said, you'll be able to find it in your Photos application under the screenshots, I believe, as well as also in the videos. I will be only able to show this by just interacting with the notification, by just tapping on it, and it will show me the screen recording. So you can see it's playing back right now. Now, you might encounter sometimes applications that you can't record. Those are primarily ones that require subscription, that completely violate your rights, I would say, considering it's your device and they change the settings and what you can do on your own phone without your permission or ever even asking for it. So in cases you want to record something like Netflix or Spotify or so on, you can just take a page out of their book and do what they did, which is pirate. And for that you can do it in a very easy way by, for instance, downloading things like Revanced or, for instance, CloudStream for Netflix. It's on GitHub, and you just need to add a repository, and you can thank me later. It's a fantastic app, which gives you access to everything for free. Anyway, with that being said, hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.